Click Site Pages and Menu to see what we've added to your website. Select Twice Rentals to view the details. Let's start by looking at the product page. This dynamic page is created for each product and serves as the place where customers can place their orders. It's an essential page, so make sure not to delete it. Here you can make adjustments like resizing or adding a background image to align with your branding. Go back to the Pages and Menu. The other page is the Rentals page, already displaying your products. You can use it as is, but let's explore a few adjustments. Let's rearrange and rename the page to better fit the website structure. Let's add a new menu item to organize our offerings. We'll create distinct pages for specific categories. In this clip, we'll start by adding a new page for tents and placing it as a sub-page under the Rentals menu. Let's add an element. Locate App Widgets to view the two widgets provided by Twice. The Store page is what we used on the Rentals page to display the entire catalog. Now we'll select the Product Gallery and choose which products to display here. We've repeated the step to create pages for every category. Let's preview how that looks. The Rentals page still shows all products, but let's take a closer look at the category menu we created earlier. And that's it. This is just one example. The possibilities are endless. Explore Wix's powerful tools to design the rental website that's perfect for you.